Well, the way it works is that I drop the trailer to the side in a spot, and the yard jockey, this is the guy that's coming, the yard jockey will pull it from the spot to the crane, and the crane will put it on the train. And if you look at this guy right here, he is putting the top blocks. This is the new yard jockey that came with a trailer, and the crane pulls the trailer. At night it's very clumsy. At night everything is rough. The handling of the trailer is very, very clumsy at night. You see a lot of click and crack, click, crack. During the daytime it's easy to see all the corners. The operator is relaxed. Where is he going too fast? This is the yard jockey that goes to the slots and has a list of trailers depending on the location, and he is going to bring them to the train, and the train puts them to the train. Here is the other guy coming. This is the yard jockey. This trailer, this is our trailer. See right there. This is the one I just put it right. This is the one I brought from Twin Falls, Iowa. Just hooking to it. So at night everything right. While he's doing that, the guy walked to the front one and he's pulling the lock from the floor. If you look at him, putting it on the top of the trailer, block the container, block the bottom container to the top container. Every time he bends down, he brings the lock from the floor, put it on the hole at the top of the container. This container now, easy man, easy. Drop it in the hole of the and sometimes we have to take a photograph for it and send it to the driver manager to show him that the container is on the train. Now he is reaching with his hands to put the locks on the table. Four of them, 4 locks each. This guy is going to make a U-turn. Let's see at the corner. And it comes under the crane. I think he's going to make another U-turn. Or maybe he's going to go to the other crane. This is the way the crane does the U-turn. What you call it, 3-point U-turn. He's turning his back to us. So he's going to come to the other train. The train is on my side. That is the 3-point U-turn. If you want to know exactly why he's doing that, because the operator is sitting on one side. The operator now is sitting on my side, and the crane is on the other side. So the crane will now is centered on the trailer. So the truck, that yard jockey will go under the crane. See, now the driver is sitting on his back is to me. This is the back of the driver, the operator.